Here are some Instana UI tips and tricks. In the infrastructure map, when pressing the letter C, the UI will center and zoom to an optimal zoom. Putting the mouse in a place on the map where you want to zoom into, you can move the mouse roller and it will zoom into that specific area, which sometimes is a little bit easier than using the zoom in and zoom out button. If you're interested in removing the unmonitored host section, all you have to do is go to the settings and disable the show unmonitored host. You can switch between rearrange by name and rearrange as a compact structure, change the display perspective between hosts and containers, as well as change the grouping on the screen. You can choose between existing categories or a custom grouping using tag prefix. Same thing applies to Docker container perspective. You can show tags and filter the display according to a specific tag, and also show metrics on the screen. You can use the top search area to filter according to a specific criteria using the help, the autocomplete, or just a free search criteria. Note that you can save your filter and reuse it later. When you have graphs on the screens, you can choose to add or eliminate certain metrics from the display, as well as select, cancel, or zoom in on a time frame. When looking at the incidents view, note the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can choose to add or show timeline, as well as show incidents, issues, or changes. And you can again zoom in on a time frame and click on items at the bottom of the screen. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.